This video will cover the ALEKS topic of how to find the least common multiple of two numbers. So the least common multiple, or LCM, is also referred to sometimes as the lowest common multiple or the least common divisor. They all mean the same thing. But what it is it's for any two numbers denoted LCM of A, B, where A and B are numbers. The least common multiple is the smallest positive integer that is evenly divisible by both A and E. So for example, the least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6, because 6 is the smallest number, the least number divisible by 3, and the least number divisible by 6. The least common multiple of 30 is 30 for 6 and 10, because that's the smallest number divisible by both 6 and 10. Now, maybe it was easier to see out of the top of your head, okay, yeah, 6, that makes sense. But how did we find 30? Well, in order to find the least common multiple, we collect the prime factors. So let's say, what's the least common multiple of 18 and 24? So in order for a number to be divisible by 18, it needs to have a factor of 2, 3, and 3. That is the prime factorization of 18. In order for a number to be divisible by 24, it needs to have a factor of 2, 3, and then 2 more 2's. So what I do is I kind of create this table, and then what I do is I collect a factor from each column, and when they match up, I let them be, but sometimes they're by themselves, right? So the least common multiple of 18 and 24 would be 2 times 3 times 3 times 2 times 2, which is 72. So let's work out a few examples. So let's find the least common multiple of 8 and 10. So first I need to write out all the prime factors of 8 and all the prime factors of 10, and then I can collect them. And if you aren't quite sure how to find all the prime factors of 8 and 10, it'd be a good idea to go back and watch the video on prime factorization. So 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, and 10 is 2 times 5. So I collect all my factors, and that's going to give me my LCM. I've got 2, 2, 2, and 5. So that's going to be 8 times 5, which is 40. So the smallest number divisible by both 8 and 10 is 40. Next, let's find the LCM of 10 and 5. So 5 is prime, so its only factor is itself and 1, but we don't include 1 in this, right? So it's just 5. 10 is 5 times 2, so the LCM is going to be 5 times 2. Well, that's just 10, and that's okay. The LCM can be one of the numbers we were looking at. Our final example is let's find the least common multiple of 15 and 9. So 15, make that actually look like a 5, factors into 3 times 5. 9 factors into 3 times 3. So my least common multiple is going to be 3 times 5 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15, times 3 is 45, would be our least common multiple of 15 and 9.